Today we're playing Camping 2. As you can see, I'm a domino boy. Alright, let's go! I wanna go on this boat. Okay, guys, I am the leader. Nobody wants to come on my boat. Okay, you two guys, I am the leader of this boat. Okay? You better not underestimate me. I don't know how you say that. Give a comment down below if you heard what I just said. I guess you didn't hear it. Okay, people are gonna think that... Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna say that. Alright, let's go! I swear to God, when I get to the camp, I'm gonna spank all you people with the belt. Alright, it looks like we're close. Say goodbye. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Okay. It looks like we're gonna go to Terra Park. Huh. Terra Park, that reminds me of something. What does it remind me of? Oh yeah, it's David Parks. Oh, hi Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Daniel, why are you so glitchy? My God. You look for useful items along the way. No! I scream so loud. I'm not gonna keep an eye out for things. Last time, I got shot by some arrow when I was playing this. Follow me to check out the next location. Where are we gonna go? Wait, you're the leader? Wait, no, I'm the leader! Okay, let's go follow him, I guess. I'm so glitchy. Okay, let's go. Why am I so laggy? Okay. Let's go over here. What is this? What is this? This is some kind of Taco Bell or something? Why is there beds in Taco Bell? That's actually very confusing. I love Taco Bell. I love getting diarrhea after I eat. I'll show you what the bathroom is. Actually, I'll show you. It's right over there. That is where people get killed. Okay, let's go inside the bathroom. Actually, I don't want to go. I said that you're gonna get killed, so I'm gonna get killed. But other people are going in, so I'm going in, so I can defend myself. Okay, let's go in here. Wow, it's so nice. It's two-dimensional. Look at this. Wait a second, you can't do the glitch anymore. No! Look at this. Oh yeah, I can't do it. This is the bathroom. Oh, look at me in the mirror. I'm jumping. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. What the frick? Oh no, Freddy's coming for me. What the frick? I'm on the floor. What the? I was on the floor dead right now. Whoa, sorry guys, we must be having some electricity problems. Huh, that kind of sounds like the first location of Five Nights at Freddy's. God damn, that building ran out of energy so fast. Maybe it's because I had the doors closed so much. Let's go, baby! Alright, we're going back to the cabin. I said camp, not the cabin. Okay. I want to go to sleep already. I had enough of being dead on the floor. Because I literally saw myself. Go back and try to find me on the floor. I think I was next to a girl. I don't know. Is Daniel still over there? Daniel! Where are you, Daniel? Yeah, Daniel's not coming back. Let's go. Oh, there he is. Oh, wait, I thought I saw him. No, he's not here. Wait, is he on the roof? Was he on the roof? No. Where is Daniel? Alright, I want to go outside. Ooh, a campfire. Oh, there's Daniel. Okay. What am I waiting for? Okay. What's going on? Why is it dark? And I am still lagging. Screw my working keyboard. I need to go use the bathroom. I'll be back in a beat. You mean... Wait, you're going to a bathroom? Wait, why can't I pass? Damn you, Daniel! Okay. Let's see if we can find a wolf. I'm trying to get out of here. Can I climb on the tree? Oh, I can't. Wait, this is the exit. How am I supposed to... Wait, I hear something. It's my pet Russian. What are you doing, my pet Russian? My pet Russian, are you drinking that alcohol? This is actually funny. This is... I heard gunshots. Did you guys kill my pet Russian? Hurry, get inside. Actually, I'm going to find my pet Russian. He's coming. Oh, shit. I almost said it. Alright, let's go inside. No, I want to go inside. Okay, let's go. Come here, guy. Ooh. Ah! What? This is the most dangerous. Ah, God. This is the most dangerous Taco Bell in the world. You should never come here, guys. I think he's gone. Well, I obviously don't think that. Who was that? Okay, give me a 10 out of 10 if that was the perfect voice actor. Actually, this one's going to be much better. Actually, I'm just kidding. My throat hurts. My throat hurts from all the screaming I've done. Wait, he said bathroom. Oh, yeah, Daniel was in the bathroom. Daniel, you're going to get killed. Wait, is he? He's not even coming. I guess he got killed. Okay. I'm in my tuxedo. I don't want to ruin it. I swear to God, if we're doing a water obby, I'm going to scream so loud and say, wait, what the FBI, open up. Oh, no, never mind. It's Daniel. Okay, guys. No, we're not telling scary stories. We got, like, stabbed in the butt so much times. No, we're not talking. Okay, I obviously don't care. Don't be silly. I know you're just trying to scam me. You're scamming me. You're scaring me. You're the only one here. Need some slap. Need some. Okay, I want to go on the top. I want to go on the top. I want to go on the top. I don't even know where I slept. Daniel seems to be taking this all very lightly. Yeah, he's taking it all very lightly. He hasn't been working out lately. Okay, let's go outside. Can we go outside? Can we go outside? Yes. Hi, Daniel. What are you doing? Hey, guys, I was so excited. Actually, I want to get some coffee. Can I get a cappuccino? Let's go hiking. Are we going to get water from a lake and then it's going to be poisoned? Alright, let's go. Where should we go? Oh, should this way? Okay, let's go this way. Wow, you really need to get your eyes checked. You just crashed into a tree. Lady. It's water! Ah! Good luck. Yeah, good luck. Jesus, I'm crashing into so much people. I am the Augie Master. What is up, my prankster gangsters? Okay, let's go. What the fuck? This is so easy. Run started. Okay, let's go. Eat. Okay. Oh, come on! You almost made me fall. You sound like a dog. Okay, let's go up here. Mr. Flim Flam. Okay, let's go down. Okay, let's go. I don't know how much time. Comment down below how much times I have, like, coughed. Can I do the num thing? Wow, so mean. Hey, Daniel, how did you get through? Oh, you took this way, you little bastard. Wait, isn't this a circle? Wait, I could have just gone over here. Somebody's talking to us. Okay, let's start all over again. Okay, we can. Night is approaching. Okay, night is approaching. Oh, should we go to the cabin? I haven't been talking to him, trying to do something, but I can't. Oh, we're at the tents. Yes. Okay, what are we doing at the... I'm blind. I'm blind. I'm blind. Okay, let's go. Why am I in a blue tent? Oh no, it's raining. It's pouring. Why can't I get inside? Okay, I got inside now. Oh, somebody's with me. Somebody's with me. Wow, the patio door just opened. No, I forgot it was raining. I'm such an idiot. Such an idiot. Okay, what was that noise? Did you guys? Yeah, I'm just gonna stay here. Num num num, num num num, num num num, num num num. Yeah, don't bother me. I'm just gonna I'm a sleep eater. Wait, did it? Yeah, it stopped. Looks like he's brain stoop. Oh yeah, it ruined our fire, Daniel. You did that. You did that. You did that. Okay, so now what do we do? So random things just keep. Oh, we gotta collect the wood. Okay, let's start punching it. Minecraft doesn't work anymore. Okay, should we get a rock? Why do I keep hearing one of those stupid rental scooters crying for help? Okay, I collected one's the woods. Okay, now I can get some wooden planks and a crafting table. Maybe even a wooden pickaxe. Okay, I want to go over the bridge. Why can't I go over here? What the frick is that? That literally shot my leg. Hey, my friend. Are you my friend? Okay, let's go try to find some wood. I'm serious. Turtle, what are you... Oh, what is this? Ah, it hit me again. Why do you keep shooting us? Meet back at the tents. I'm gonna be quiet now. There's somebody in the house. Okay. Daniel, what do you want? Oh, you lighted up the fire yourself. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, let's stop that. Okay, so what should I do now? Okay, guys, what do we do? There's a chat. Camping in the chat. I see something in the blue tent. Yes, I see something. Wow! We can play Fortnite now! Yeah! Wait, I'm playing Roblox. There's a gun in here. Oh, can we play the Fortnite duo? Actually, duos suck. They suck! Okay, can I get the gun or something? Why is it turning? What am I doing? Okay. Why am I... Oh, yeah, baby. We're gonna play some Fortnite. What are you doing? I'm not gonna fire because Daniel has been my friend for like 10 million years now. We met in a game called RuneScape. And then we were like... I don't know, we were like screaming like... We were fishing. Wait, what did I do? Okay, I bet people are gonna hate me, but we're gonna get a good ending if I didn't do that. I'm gonna be like a little kid. We get good ending. Alright, we get good. We get Google. No! Nah! I gotta learn all my typing skills. We get good ending. Why is my checkbook so... Oh, come on, I missed it. What was that? Okay, guys, help me. This house is haunted. What's about to happen? So where are we supposed to go now? Supposed to go to a cabin or something? No, we're not going to a cabin. Then where are we going? It's starting to get dark. I thought it was getting dark. Night is approaching. So what do we do if the night is approaching? Uh-oh. Turtle, what are you... Are you the only one... Oh, get in the hole. Wait, did I even hop in? Okay, I don't know how long this video was. No, I didn't. Where's the hole? Oh, it's right here. Yeet! Hey, Daniel. How you do? Oh, no, we forgot to leave a rope. Yeah! What a great idea. We're gonna starve to death here. And Zach Nolan is gonna kill us. We need to find a new... Yeah, let's go over here. FBI, open up! FBI! Okay, open already. Okay, thank you. Daniel, I need a... Where is the... Okay, I'm trying to concentrate now, so I'm not gonna scream. Okay, I did. Neat. Should I continue? Continue. You need 20 more Robux.